is true. So, welcome to the 67th episode of Wednesdays for Waste Warriors. We have Priyanka Bapna with us,
Good evening.
who's the founder of Mimansa. And I have one of the questions. What is the meaning of Mimansa? It is such an attractive
It's a
word.
Sanskrit word. It's
Uh-huh.
the last thought before making a decision.
Oh my God!
So we
Wow.
were almost shutting down our work, and then Manish and Rashmi joined us.
Mhm.
And that's when we started Mimansa. And yeah, it's the last thought before. And I'm glad we didn't shut down.
It is awesome. Awesome.
Thank you.
I hope people who are using the products know the meaning because it's so heartwarming to understand something or understand the meaning or depth of that project or initiative.
Yeah,
You understand the story or behind that name.
yeah.
It's lovely.
It's important, yeah. And it's been a long journey. I
Mhm.
think we have been upcycling since the last 12 years.
Wow.
And it's been a slow journey, and no one understood the whole importance. Even the team didn't initially,
Mhm.
because to make it simple, while cutting the fabric only, we need to make it into the right slots
Yeah.
so that there is no segregating. Like we say, no, the garbage needs to segregate at source.
Yeah.
Textile needs to segregate at source. What will become a new garment? What will become a new jhola?
Yeah.
And what will become a new flower?
Yeah.
So, they're all different pieces, and the long ones that get into a crochet.
Uh-huh.
So we actually use each of our textiles that we have created as a surplus,
Mhm.
and we create something from it. Of course, then the whole struggle has been to get the market.
True. That is
So
that's a big piece.
yeah, because I feel that all the women who have so much skill, and if you can skill them more also,
Mhm.
but the continuity of the product is important, and the continuity of the income is important, most importantly for them. You
Yeah.
can't, like the whole of India has CSR, and people have put so many beautiful machines. Like some of the CSR centers have better machines than I have. Okay. And there is no work.
Yeah.
It's just, small villages have 20 centers and no work.
That's a big thing.
And you're like, how do I get them work? And then how do I get them a regular work? You can't say, acha, 10 petticoat banaye aur fir khatam. If that 3,000 to 5,000 has to be earned, it has to be earned every month for them to change a life.
Yeah.
And that's
Consistent.
how, yeah, consistency is. So that's where I come in, where marketing comes in.
Mhm.
So thankfully, our Jhola has been bought by Vishal Mart and Heiko as their checkout bag. So we
Nice.
have a continuous supply. Now is the flowers, and now is the crochet. So thank you
Very
for your support. And I'm sure the
oh,
Rakhis also did very well this season. Next year, we'll do it better. We started late. And we
yes.
are teaching more and more women, and we love to teach everyone.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's a wonderful thought, Priyanka.
yes.
And I'm sure most of the participants who've joined already know what you do or have seen or heard in the group
Yeah.
um, that we have my waste my responsibility, but I would still like you to share your journey. How did you start? Why did you start? Why
Okay.
dealing with scrap was important for you? Why did you want to green it and all that?
Yeah. So I am a textile designer from education. I studied in Sapphires and did my printing. So then I started my own business, and I became a white label manufacturer for all the retail format stores.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the amount of clothes we were making is the amount of waste we were generating. So in textile manufacturing, the surplus is not made because of mistakes. It's made because of that's the way the fabric is woven in our country. And
Mm-hmm.
they're such beautiful fabrics. And the only way to was to give them to landfill. There
Mm-hmm.
was nothing. So what they would do is they would clean machines like the chindis that get left behind in any textile manufacturing gets used to cleaning up machines, and then gets dumped into the Methi River in Bombay or wherever you are, or landfill.
Yeah.
And my textiles were too beautiful to do that. So Nivedita from Money Trust Bombay,
Mm-hmm.
she has a group of women who she's been training for the last 12, 15 years. And
Mm-hmm.
she came to me and said, can you give us work? So I said, okay. And then we started making the jhola, and we made a lot of clothes, uniforms. You try to do the normal run of the mill, but you realize that one product that they can repeat, that they can take home, that, everything, it should be a simple product. You can't expect them to be excellent from day one.
Yeah.
Only when this skill of stitching is something that has to be practiced and practiced and practiced for them to become so good that they can make my kurta, which goes to a retail format store.
Yeah.
So, sorry, is that drums too loud?
No.
It's Ganpati in our building.
Okay, no problem. We also have Visarjan in our building.
Yeah. So I started working with Nivedita, and she was excellent, and we kept making these things. And slowly, it just grew. Then our factory went to Anand. Of course, then the problem was I had 10,000 bags and nowhere to go. So then I went to the Vishal Mart, and they pre-COVID had taken it as their checkout counter bag. I have been to each retail format store in the country. I've said the white cotton tote bag is not good for the environment. So this is something that I'd like to educate everyone. Cotton is what I'm wearing, or you're wearing. It's the most beautiful textile, but it is also a textile that takes a lot from Mother Earth.
Yeah.
Imagine taking lakhs of meters of fabric, cutting it up and making a jhola and being happy about it.
Yeah.
So, and there's so much surplus in this country that you can make jholas for everything. You can pack your shoes, you can, everything. But none of the retail format stores wanted a colored jhola. So they wanted it to be looking the same. They wanted everything. So I was like, then Vishal Mart gave us the good opportunity. And after COVID, even Hyco stores in Bombay has given it to us. So that's one thing that our Anand women have continuous work. So there are about 20-25 women who have an income every month between 3,000 to 5,000. And slowly, we are taking a lot of, with HHH we worked. So basically, whoever needs work, we try to train them. Like right now, we're working with Jagruti in Devariya, and it's a beautiful experience. There are 22 centers, the whole team of Jagruti who's helping us, and you'll be surprised we are doing production there now.
Very
So
nice.
yeah, so the whole thing is to go back to rural India, to not waste anything to go back to landfill. It has to have a commercial value. And Manish and Rashmi have been very supportive, and inspiration comes from home. I'm from Udaipur. And so we just, there are ideas coming. And let me tell you, more ideas come from the women than from me. They know their job. They know, and they love experimenting, and they keep making new things. I have to just keep finding markets for them.
Yeah. See, finding market is a very challenging exercise, Priyanka. We have also done that for the women who we support in Satara villages. We taught them to make bags, runners and other things out of fabric.
Yeah.
Then even the snacks and all that stuff for festivals that they make.
Yeah.
लेकिन वो डिमांड तो बहुत है ही, लेकिन सप्लाई भी बहुत है.
हाँ, बहुत है.
और लोगों को ये जो आपने बहुत एक करेक्ट पॉइंट बोला, जो मैं हाईलाइट करना चाहती हूँ, कि हम सिर्फ कपड़े का बैग लेना इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. वो कपड़े का बैग कौन सा है वो भी सोचना बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
तो अगर आप देखें कि बहुत सारे लोग जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी के नाम पे काम कर रहे हैं, वो सारे नए फैब्रिक से बना रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So ये नया फैब्रिक का कुछ बनाना, how is it sustainable? It's just like virgin plastic.
Yeah, no, you rather take a new plastic, a good quality plastic bag which has a good micron and which can be recycled. Yes, that would probably better than the cutting of cambric.
हाँ, so आपको इतने सारे हमारे पास बच्चे हैं, लोग हैं, कम्युनिटीज है जिनके पास पहनने को कपड़ा नहीं है. उनके लिए हम पॉलिएस्टर, रेयॉन और ये जितने हैं वो देते हैं, जो कि मशीन मेड है, और हम जो बाकी का है वो उसको बर्बाद कर देते हैं. या फिर वो बोलते हैं कई लोग कि हम इसका वो बनाते हैं, हम मशीन में डाल के इसका काइंड ऑफ उसको धुनकी दे देते हैं और फिर वो गद्दे में वो चले जाता है. सो of course it is getting repurposed, but are good quality material and uniforms and all those things, उनका वैसा हर्ष होना चाहिए क्या? They should be worn by somebody, और
Yes.
कुछ अच्छा बनना चाहिए.
Especially in the climate that we're living in nowadays.
हमें
Yeah.
कॉटन की जरूरत है, और यहाँ पे एवरीवन इज लाइक ओपनिंग न्यू स्टोर्स एंड ऑफरिंग सेल सेल सेल, एंड उसके
Yeah.
कारण चीप, एक अमेरिका में वॉलमार्ट का एक वो है कि जस्ट गो टू वॉलमार्ट एंड गेट समथिंग चीप,
Yeah, yeah.
और यहाँ पे भी वैसा ही हो गया है कि जस्ट
बिल्कुल.
क्या रिपेयर करो, क्यों
हाँ.
करो, बटन टाकना है,
Yeah,
उधड़ गया है,
yeah.
जस्ट फेंको, और नया तो 199
Yeah,
में मिलेगा.
yeah, yeah.
दैट
और
इज
फेंको कहाँ? मेरा सबसे बड़ा सवाल है सबसे. आई आस्क एवरीवन एवरी, आप ये जो फेंकते हो ये जाता कहाँ है?
नदी
क्या?
में.
नहीं, क्या हम अर्थ से स्पेस में डाल सकते हैं? नहीं ना. तो ये जाता कहाँ है?
थैंकफुली अभी तक नहीं डाल सकते, नहीं तो वो
भी चालू हो जाएगा. Yeah. So yeah, that's why we started upcycling. Of course, it's been a long journey and it continues. Would love to work more on it. I had started a beautiful project with Poonam, a daily dump for Desh Ka bag. I hope someone takes that forward. So there is a lot of, bags can be made of leftover, of used fabric also.
Yeah, of course.
You can make these flowers from used fabric. You can crochet your used fabric. Everything can be converted and given a new life, and it can be reused and reused. It has to be a resource that we reuse.
Yeah, that is called sustainable.
Yes, that's called. So it's no longer one upcycling. It has to be a circular thing. Okay. So that's what we are doing with single-use plastic, also with Rhino's STB. So yes, it's just a circular economy where if it breaks, we use it again and we use it again.
At this point of time, I would like you to introduce the fabric flowers that we were talking about a couple of days ago. And especially Ganesh Chaturthi, मतलब Ganesh Utsav चल रहा है. इसके बाद में नवरात्रि आएगी, मतलब अब series of festivals चालू हो चुकी हैं. So we wanted to promote that.
Yes, thank you so much. So we are all making torans and putting up torans in our houses. And as I told you, I'd gone to a shop in Powai and he said, "Oh, I've got fabric flowers, Priyanka, ye wo." I was damn impressed. Those fabric flowers were polyester fabric flowers. So I was like, okay, this is not what you want to get and put into the Powai lake. So we made these flowers. Sorry, I'm wearing one. So I don't know how to show them. So we made these flowers out of our leftover textiles. And then we put them into malas. So I did keep one mala with me. So it looks like this.
Very beautiful.
So of course you can see a trouser made out of this somewhere in the world. And we've tried all experiments of colors and all. So yeah, so there's this. Now this can be washed, upcycled, recycled. The flower, in case the mala breaks, you can put the flowers in your head. You can just add them to anywhere. It's just a flower. So
wonderful.
Yeah. So this is what we are promoting. These are all being made by slum women in Powai. There is one of the girls who heads it and she handles all of them. They hand cut each of our katran and they hand make each flower. So it is a tedious process. The big problem that I'm facing is the cost. But I feel that the women need to get paid their,
Yeah. So
their worth.
That is what I wanted to ask कि पहले वो लोग सारे
फ्लावर्स बनाते हैं.
फ्लावर्स बनाते हैं, उसके पहले वो सारे एक जैसे कलर के कपड़े सॉर्ट आउट करते
हैं. वो एक्चुअली हमारा ऑफिस, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट माय स्टाफ who earlier used to not understand, but now when we cut the layer, they segregate everything and put it into bundles. Then the driver goes and gives it to the respected slums. And we have reduced the women's work a little.
Yeah.
So we cut it in the right shape and give it to them. Because others, it's too much of an effort for their side because they are hand cutting it and we are cutting it by a hand machine. So obviously, so we cut small strips and give them. Of course, there are smaller flowers also we are making now, which I'll post later. I don't have one with me. But we are looking to keep making new things. So even, you can put them as torans. Someone's wedding, you can use them in your whole, and you can, if you want, you can also gift it away to everyone after the mandap. So there are
Yes.
million ways you can use my flowers.
बिल्कुल एंड
Yeah.
एक्चुअली हम लोग जब बोल रहे हैं कि सस्टेनेबल डेकोरेशंस एंड ग्रीन इवेंट्स, सो उसमें ऐसे वाले जो ऑप्शंस हैं जो कॉटन से बने हैं,
हाँ जी.
अपसाइकल्ड हैं, और दे कैन बी वॉश्ड एंड अगेन
Yes.
स्टोर्ड, तो आप
Yes.
नेक्स्ट उसमें लगा सकते हो.
Yeah.
एंड आई वाज व्हेन आई सॉ द वेरियस कलर्स ऑफ योर माला,
Yeah.
मैं किसी से बात कर रही थी और उन्होंने बोला हमारी सोसाइटी इज वेरी इंटरेस्टेड in
Okay.
doing this
Great.
because new like the fresh flowers are very expensive. So
Okay.
अगर आपने 3 दिन 5 दिन का गणपति रखा है तो बहुत
हाँ.
एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता है हर दिन उसको
हम्म.
बदलना. सो मैंने कहा आप ये वाले ले सकते हैं एंड आप हर दिन कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं अगर
हाँ,
आप
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
फ्रेश.
बिल्कुल.
So her thing was no, it's too expensive. So now
Yes.
this too expensive इसको कैसे address कर रहे हैं?
Address करें. So I did think of some options. I spoke to the women and I said maybe we will laser cut the triangles also for you.
Mhm.
So the point is to reduce the banners put into a flower,
Mhm.
because that's what the woman needs to get paid, right? So we're trying to do that, but if we can manage to get bulk and train more and more and prepare for probably later Diwali or next year, then I'm sure we'll be able to cut the cost down also.
Yeah, मुझे भी I
Yeah.
also felt the same कि
Yeah.
जब हमारे पास उसे प्रमोट या मार्केट करने के लिए थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम रहता है,
हाँ, तो फिर
not
होता है. And
last minute, तब
yes,
वो हम
yes.
कर
So
सकते हैं.
it's just come up. I'm happy to do this whole planning for next festive, and hopefully the polyester flowers can disappear. I was just coming from Powai Lake, and everyone had the polyester mala around Ganpati ji.
मतलब
Everyone.
imagine polyester is easily flammable, तो
Yeah.
जब इतना दिया लगता है, अगरबत्ती लगती है,
वो
क्या
भी,
क्या,
yeah.
it is a hazard, you know.
Yeah, it's a hazard.
So,
And
but people, because of cost, they are so sensitive to कि नहीं परवड़ना चाहिए, हमारे बजट में बैठना चाहिए, उसके कारण they don't care about quality, they care about the
yes.
cost. That is the way our
Yeah.
country works.
No, not our country only. Yeah, everywhere.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's like I feel we are still in a better position than the other countries. We are, at least we've been an upcycling country since generations, you know.
Yes. Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, I hope people understand that this can be reused every year like a Christmas decoration.
Yeah.
And you know, you put it away beautifully, and yeah, I hope so. I will try to get the cost down so that we can reach more people.
Yeah.
But I have decided I'll continue making them the whole year, so we'll have every shade possible in the world.
That is definitely one of the things we have to keep doing, because even if we get a last minute big order, we will be able to supply.
Yeah, and also upcycling, little bit people have to understand कि ये गेंदे का फूल का orange नहीं है. You know, they have to understand, like the jhola, they have to understand I cannot create things unless they are clothes made. I'm not going to take textile and cut it up.
Yeah.
That's something I'm very sure of, however big the business comes to me.
And the other thing is dyeing it.
Yes.
Dyeing it to match that color, because many people are doing that, and eventually they are using chemical dyes. And it doesn't make sense again.
It doesn't make sense. So yeah, I hope people understand. I would like everyone to try doing this in their own house with their own clothes also. It's very easy to make a flower. You know, you have to just make it. It's a simple flower and everything looks pretty.
Yeah, our students, we have been telling our students to do various things with the fabric waste, as in, you know, the extra fabric that we get. And they've been making no-stitch bags. They've been doing a lot of experiments, and very excited to give those bags to the neighborhood shopkeeper.
Yeah. And corporate gifting. Right now, Diwali has this huge corporate gifting that is coming up. Make a sustainable packet. Put flowers, put the jhola, put you know, anything. Put anything that's made out of. There are lots of people doing beautiful work. Yeah. And you know, someone can just put everything together and make a lovely Diwali package. And I always feel a Diwali gift should be personal. It's not about the money, it's about the thought that is put into it. And that's how you stand out in those 1000 gifts that people get.
Yeah.
So I think this should be an excellent gift also to give.
Yeah, we had our students paint diyas last year.
Yeah, very lovely.
So we have a plan of putting together a kind of a hamper, and
Okay.
we would like to have
You're
you.
most welcome to take our
Yes,
flowers.
exactly.
Yes.
So so we
Yeah.
complete the hamper, you know, and then
Yes.
person who receives it understands and values it, that okay,
Yeah.
person not only received a Diwali gift but also provided real livelihood
Yes.
to real needy people,
You're
not just
making
benefiting.
such a change. I have worked with beggars in Jamia Millia. I have worked with women who say their alcoholic husbands can't beat them anymore. I have that 3,000 to 5,000 rupees is a life-changing thing for women and their children.
True,
And we have to understand that we need to give it to them continuously and we need to keep providing them some employment.
definitely. I'm with you on
And
that.
yes, and also stitching is so simple that their mother-in-law, sister-in-laws can also help them in it. They
Bilkul.
can take it home. You know, everyone cannot come to a factory and work the whole day. They have home responsibilities. So in Gujarat, Anand, we give a lot of things, jolas, to take home and make.
Yeah,
So that gives them flexibility of work from home. Why should it only be for us? Work
of
from home
course.
should be for, yeah. So yeah. And
Okay.
one thing that I must say that Nivedita did very well with Animate is she made the centers in the slums.
Mm.
So that in Bombay, she has centers in Jogeshwari, Western East,
Mm.
and they're inside the slum.
Yeah.
So the
So
women can see their children, they can see their in-laws and all.
yeah,
So I hope to teach. I'm very happy to teach more and more women of how to do this.
we shall do that. Now,
Yes.
tell me, where do you want to take this? Do you want every Indian household or every household to have fabric flowers as their decoration? What is your bigger goal that you
Yeah. My biggest goal would be I used to say that for clothes, that every woman should own one piece of my clothes in the world. So
wow.
similarly, everyone should, yeah, I hope everyone can take some part of our journey and make it theirs, and it should give them some pleasure when they see it every day.
True.
It could be a jhola, it could be a crochet thing, it could be a flower, it could be something that has impacted this world in a positive way.
I'm sure that will happen.
Yes, it will, I'm sure. I have met so many conscious people now that it's amazing. It's amazing. People are doing really good work, and I'm so proud of it.
Well, the time has come.
The
Everyone.
time has come. Bas bahut greenwashing. Last 10 years has only been greenwashing. There's
Bilkul.
absolutely nothing besides greenwashing in the world.
Bilkul.
So yeah, but now there are a lot of like-minded conscious people in our country and abroad.
Yeah.
And so somebody in Seattle has also ordered the flowers from us. I hope they do well. She owns a chai ka dukan, so she is going to put them up there on Diwali. So I
Wonderful.
hope next season should be better.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So now, tell me, apart from the jhola and the flowers, what else are you making out of the fabric?
Yeah, so we make crochet. So the really thin things that get left behind, a group of women crochets it into pot holders and bags. So that is the really thin one. This really tiny one, of course, goes into filling for animals, gaddas and all. I am still looking for collaboration for someone to change it to paper and for someone to change it to another yarn, because the yarn changing is still undergoing a lot of R&D everywhere. How many people I've got in touch with? If anyone listening to me who can help me do that, I'm happy to do that. And of course, the biggest pieces like the one I'm wearing is made out of textile waste. So it's two colors that got left behind. So I suggest that even the bigger parts should be made into another outfit.
Bilkul, bilkul.
I don't cut up bigger parts to make a jhola. So you have to have some logic to this upcycling. You can't put, it's not one graph that fits all.
I totally agree, because
Yes.
that is exactly where we have to, that wisdom kicks in.
Yeah. So how these big retail format stores say, oh, we had 200 meters lying after our production, and then we cut it up and made jholas. So I that's not upcycling. That's just a greenwash. First, why
Yeah.
did you order 200 meters extra? Why was your maths not right?
Welcome. Welcome.
Yes.
Exactly. So, many people are getting into this collecting fabric waste from boutiques and these curtain and upholstery makers
Yeah.
and all, and then they make bags
That's
or
also
whatever.
lovely. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
we have a lot of
Yeah, I
people.
think everyone needs to do it at their own level.
uh, Bilkul.
Yes.
It's
Bilkul.
important that everyone does what they think is a good idea.
Yes, I agree.
Now, tell me about how your family or friends or how have they supported you? Or yeah, they are like, what is wrong with you? Why do you want to do this?
No, no, not at all. They've totally supported me. My family has totally supported me. Unfortunately, so happily, all the Rakis in the whole family were the same this time. Because everyone was forced to take our Rakis and buy our Rakis from us. So everyone had the same Rakis on their hands. So friends and family have supported me totally, and they encourage us a lot. In fact, they help us pack and they help us segregate when it's required. They do deliveries. Everything happens. The poor people don't have a choice. So it's been a journey, and yeah, we've had big ups and downs in our businesses, like any other business in the country. But yeah, everyone has supported us. Uh, Very excited about even the plastic upcycling that we're doing. So
Yeah.
that's another thing that I would like to take a few minutes on. So it's a great technology that Rhino has made, and we managed to convert single-use plastic and MLPs into a molten product, which is very strong, and that can be casted into anything. So bricks, cobblestones, shower drains, pots, planters, tiles, you name it. But the best part is the plastic does not need to be cleaned or segregated. So right now, under my understanding, it's a good solution for MLPs and single-use plastics.
Yeah,
So
people are
that's,
making products out of MLPs now.
yes. So
So
that's what we're doing with SPB. So both textile and plastic is the biggest waste that are causing
true.
havoc in our country. So in our world, sorry. So yeah, right now working on both, and I hope that. But I again and again say that people need to help people like us, all of us who are upcycling and doing a little bit by buying products.
Exactly.
Unless we buy our products, we can't continue making them forever.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
so what has been the biggest challenge in these 10, 12 years that you've like?
So amazingly, training women has not been a challenge. Women are very enthusiastic to learn, and they're very hardworking. My challenge has been marketing, and my challenge has been putting the CSR. So I've learned that there's a huge CSR funding everywhere. So if there's a gap, so some people think a jhola should be made in 2 rupees. And I'm like, why do you want to pay that lady 2 rupees? It's not okay. You have to pay her 5 rupees to make that jhola because she's working that much. And if you think that you can't sell it, then you get the CSR funding as a gap funding there, because CSR money is available. But be sure that the manufacturer gets what he deserves, he or she deserves. In our country, we are willing to spend on marketing, on everything, but the labor, the manufacturer, the tailor is getting lesser and lesser money. And unfortunately, tailors' children don't want to become tailors.
I have seen that too.
Yeah. So, and you can't argue with them, because where is the future? What am I showing them? So, slowly, when we are training these women and they're earning money, then their children are getting excited. So, I hope that that happens. And because without tailoring, what are we going to do?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
So, yeah.
that's true. This repairing culture that we had, which was a very I think it was a very simple thing to repair,
Yeah.
mend, and then wear it again.
Yes.
Those tailors जो कि पेड़ के नीचे बैठे रहते थे, अब वो कहीं पे दिखाई नहीं देते.
नहीं दिखाई देंगे आपको.
तो
It's
वो
so
एक
sad.
पूरा
Yeah.
important part of our
Yeah.
system, our lives has gone, and that was
Has gone.
sustainable.
Yes, totally. Totally.
So
Yes.
हम एक तरफ पर सस्टेनेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट्स बनाते हैं,
Oh
इम्पैक्ट
yeah.
बनाते हैं, और बोर्ड रूम में मीटिंग रखते हैं, रिट्रीट्स करते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड
हाँ.
एंड ऑल, कॉन्क्लेव करते हैं. लेकिन हमने जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी के चैंपियंस थे, जो वो ड्राइव कर रहे थे सस्टेनेबिलिटी, हमने उनको ही एलिमिनेट कर दिया.
नहीं,
What do you
उनको
think on
दबाए
about
जा
that?
रहे, दबाए जा रहे. तो जब भी मार्केट में, like I'm a garment manufacturer to the big retail format stores, competition is fierce. The H&Ms and Zaras have come to India, so we are all feeling the heat. But the point is, whenever you want
Yeah.
to get the cost down, the only person you think of getting the cost down is the labor.
बिल्कुल.
And I'm like, how? The cost of living has gone up. His children have to be educated. His lifestyle has to be improved. And you want me to tell him, आप पहले 60 में बनाते थे, अभी 55 में बनाओ क्योंकि मैं 10,000 पीस दे रहा हूँ. So that's where my fight is with all the retail format stores. They don't blink before giving the marketing by a bigger budget. They don't blink before buying fabric in a more cost, but they always want to say your stitching cost should go down.
Exploitation.
And it's so sad, and we try not to do it. And they always ask for SEDEX compliance and all, but where is the human compliance? Where is the compliance where you're saying this guy makes a decent living, his children get educated, his house becomes pakka, and he can save some money?
Unfortunately, when we talk about grassroots, and people use that word a lot, grassroots level beneficiaries, needy and all that. And I always tell them that, excuse me, the poor are still poor. What poverty alleviation are you talking about?
Not at all.
But crores, you must have seen crores of money.
Yes.
CSR money goes for poverty alleviation.
Yeah. And making reports.
Yeah. So
yeah.
Where is the compliance? Where is the impact? Where
nothing.
Has their struggle improved? No.
I was telling you, there are these centers across our country which have stitching machines that are beautiful because someone made a project report and someone set up a beautiful center, but there's no work. No one thought of giving them work. There's cobwebs happening everywhere. Like pre-COVID, we were working with about 12 such centers, and they demanded work more and more and more. The women and men are ready to work, but you have to get them work, and you have to buy back. So what we do at Mimamsa is we buy back everything. We don't tell them you have to go and sell in the market. So we buy back everything. So that's how it works. They don't know how to sell. I don't know how to sell. How will they know how to sell?
Of course. We've seen that in the villages of Satara.
Yeah.
Those women are so talented. They can make so many things, but they are like, we don't know how to sell. And who do we sell it to? Our world is so small.
So small,
So
as I call it, the blouse petticoat story. The only thing they learned is to make their own blouse petticoats.
Yeah, but they are the customers, and how many blouse petticoats do you need?
Yeah. And that is also changing slowly, right?
Oh, totally.
So, but nowadays, like what we've done in Gorakhpur with Jagrati, we've managed to make production in the village. And that's really beautiful. And 2 productions have gone through. We've had a lot of support. So I think NGOs, industry, and technical skills have to come together to make the change. Only NGOs can't do it because they don't know where to sell it. Only technical skill cannot do it because I don't have the infrastructure behind me, and the market has to be created. So if 3 people come together, then the changes happen. And I feel manufacturing needs to go back to the villages. It just needs to.
Yeah, because, that when we talk about collaboration is not like sitting and shaking hands in a 5-star hotel. We are leaving the majority of our population behind. And in every document, people's nara is, no child left behind, no this left behind, and all of that. But you're leaving
Yeah.
everyone behind,
Yeah.
or, you know,
Yeah. And in COVID, I learned this lesson so hard because in Bombay, I have 4 or 5 people who stay in one room. And what happens in COVID? Where if one gets COVID, what do I do? So I
yeah,
had responsibility of 100 people in Bombay who could not reach home, but I couldn't do anything about it.
wow.
So that made us move our manufacturing to Gujarat.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a very difficult time, and we saw
It was
that
very difficult.
migrant laborers जो शहर में सब
Yeah.
कुछ बनाने आए थे और
Yeah.
उसको पैदल चल के जाना पड़ा.
Yeah.
And that was the time we Iti Skill School was born, because we wanted कि ये जो लोग वापस जा रहे हैं इनको शहर आके अपनी लाइफ खराब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इनको गांव में ही हम
Yeah.
ऐसे स्किल कर देंगे कि हम वो वहीं पे रह के अच्छे से काम
बिल्कुल.
कर सकें.
हाँ, but skill के साथ you need to get us markets there also.
Of
मतलब
course.
someone who outsources the work to them and takes everything back. And I'm sure it's possible. Bangladesh has done it. Vietnam is doing it. Why can't we do it?
The only thing is the logistics to get the stuff, but I don't think that will be so big, because
No,
हमारे यहाँ पे तो
it's not so difficult.
highways बन रहे हैं और इतने सारे.
Railways is a great way to get things here and there.
Yeah,
I've been working with Gorakhpur. Railways takes 2 days.
yeah.
And if it's above 100 kilos, it's 1 rupee a kilo.
Wow. And even Indian Post, many people
Yeah,
don't use
yeah,
it, but
yeah.
that is also such a reliable
So I
mode
use
of.
Indian Post to send things abroad.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
So we made a very beautiful mask in COVID with IIT Bombay and Rinty Banerjee. And it was the Duraprot mask, which is a technology that is beautiful. It's N98.
Mhm.
And it's a cloth mask, it's another journey we had with Rinty. And it was beautiful, and the best part of the mask was that it had to be stitched.
Mhm.
So the amount of employment we generated in COVID was beautiful.
Good.
So it's a organic mask. So whatever, I was trying to tell you that we have to create these products which need humans to stitch.
Yeah, and of course, that's when these sale, offer, factory made
Yeah.
petroleum products have to be, reduced and refused,
Yes.
because they're
Yeah.
not doing any good.
They're not doing any good to anyone.
True. Now we have people coming in and out. So
Okay.
anyone, if you have questions to ask to Priyanka, please go ahead.
Yes, please.
We had a few comments
Yes.
where Apurva said, it doesn't look like they are not real. The
Thank you
flower
so much.
showed the flower. So
Yeah.
it's definitely a very, and I had the cloth bags also, and I'm like going and doing the same thing, store to store. Ki, okay, this is what you should use. White cloth bags are not what you
Not.
should.
And
Exactly.
listen, aren't you excited to use different bags every day? They look pretty also. So I'm not telling you to compromise on your style statement.
I have been doing that since my
Yeah.
school days. I always
Yeah.
loved to change bags.
Huh.
But we always had these, the homemade bags, or, those kind of bags.
Yes.
We didn't have those purses with studs and all. I just don't, I can't
Yeah.
stand them.
Yeah.
So the jholas are my thing to
Yes.
go.
Yes.
And
Yes.
I think it's a very, you lead by example. If you
Yes.
are doing something, it's easier for someone to get convinced कि हाँ मैं भी
Yes.
इससे use कर सकता हूँ या कर सकता हूँ.
And we are getting there. It'll take a few years, but I'm sure we'll leave the planet a little better for our children.
Fingers crossed.
Yes.
Other thing that I really feel very not happy about is these white bags for conferences and then printing with chemical ink on it.
Yes.
What sense does it make, and how is it sustainable, please?
Not at all. Not at all. So I always fight the logo game. And thankfully, the government of India made a rule where that if you put a logo, you have to charge for it or something like that. They made it a product. So I always say, why is your, You can have a small label also. You don't have to have such a big logo, because then a person can carry it in his or her daily life.
Yeah.
Make it a tiffin bag, make it some bag or the other.
Yeah, because people don't usually like to use, something which has a logo of an organization.
Yes. Yeah.
They don't mind
Yes.
using some store, kind of like you said, H&M or Biba or
Yeah,
something. I
yeah.
bought something. It's like show up.
Yes. Yeah.
लेकिन बाकी चीजों के लिए they don't mind कि उस पे कॉन्फ्रेंस का
Yes.
लिखा या
हाँ,
कुछ, तो
बिल्कुल
वो पसंद
बिल्कुल.
नहीं
So and so departmental store. So
है.
yeah, I would love if people would understand that the white cotton tote bag is not good for the environment.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
And I would love if hemp came more into the conversation. Hemp is a beautiful fiber, but in India, we are still not managing to do it. There are a lot of people who have gotten in touch with, and I hope we can do that later.
Yeah.
So hemp is another one, bamboo is another one.
Yes.
So if we can keep using alternative products and all, and use cotton to wear and beautifully keep for ourselves, because it's so beautiful.
Yes. At this point of time, I would like you to explain to people about that white cotton bag. Why?
Is
No.
it not good for the environment?
Why should it be? No.
No. Okay. So what I want to tell you is the white cotton bag is made of a cotton textile, which is wearable. Unless it's really thin, then it doesn't carry anything also. So it's gauze, but that is also a cotton fiber, which could have been made into a textile. And that textile can be worn by everyone. You take lakhs of meters of that fabric and you cut it up into small pieces and make that bag, and you think it's sustainable. It is not. You have so much textile surplus in this whole world that you don't need to cut up anything. You can make your bag from cut up fabric. So what I would suggest is use your old textiles, use your towels, use your t-shirts, use everything and make your own jholas if you want, or buy jholas by people who are making it from upcycled textile. Do not cut up beautiful cotton textile to make jholas and think you've done your bit for the environment.
That's
If
what
you have lovely textiles, please make a good kurta for yourself and wear it in this heat, and
Right.
you'll be a happier person.
That's true. That's true.
Yes.
तो जैसे हमारे
So,
पुराने वो होते थे ना कि एक साड़ी बन गई, धोती, और फिर वो पर्दा बन गया.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो वो
There's
जो
a new thing that you can start doing with all your saris. I've been getting a lot of people, because women have stopped wearing saris. And you can make beautiful salwar kurtas, tops, curtains, cushion covers. Everything can be converted into something.
ये बिल्कुल.
Sustainable weddings. We did a wedding in Udaipur where all the return gifts were sustainable, made out of the mother's old saris.
Oh,
So we
beautiful.
made pouches,
That's so
we made
nice.
pocket squares, we made dupattas, we made trays, and we made those pouches to put all the jewelry and all. And all the saris got used up, and they were beautiful.
Very nice. I've also seen some videos of actually वो गुजरात में ही है, the person who was doing it. वो साइकिल में पीछे उसने कुछ एक लगाया था, और वो साइकिल का वो चक्का चला के साड़ी से रस्सी बना रहा
रस्सी
था.
बना रहा था, बिल्कुल. पर वो पॉलिएस्टर
वो
से
मुझे
बहुत
इतना
अच्छी बनती
अच्छा.
है.
हाँ, और वो
Yeah.
पॉलिएस्टर का एक
हाँ,
मजबूती भी रहती है कि उसमें
हाँ,
कोई.
मजबूती भी रहती है. Yes.
So if you want to upcycle your polyester sarees, you can make rassi out of that. But
And
not,
bags also.
हाँ,
Yeah,
but
open,
not,
yeah.
not as a first choice कि आप एक wearable item, wearable product को बैग में convert
Bag
करें.
में convert करो. And this is something I really want the big people to departmental stores and everyone to understand, that every store is cutting up beautiful cotton textile and making bags. I don't know a single store who's not doing it right now.
So I think we are on the same page जब हम बोलते हैं कि
Yes.
आप used fabric के bags बना सकते हैं,
हाँ
and
जी.
your bag does not need to be white.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I am.
Great. It's a good thought.
हमें
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोगों का ब्रेन वॉश करना होगा.
बहुत लंबी जर्नी है, but I'm sure we'll get there.
Yes, we will definitely. So, Smita, Manisha, do you have any questions? Smita does a lot. She's in Pune, and she's part of a lot of like River Revival and other forums. So,
Okay.
if you have any questions, Smita, go ahead.
Yes, I do have a question actually.
Yes, Smita.
So I don't like to throw anything. Can you hear me?
Yes, totally. We could hear you.
Yes, Smita, we can hear you.
Hello. Like my clothes, I don't wear now, but then I'm just clinging on to them. So how do what do I do with them? I mean, I want them.
There are lots of things you can do with them. You
I
can
think
make patchwork quilts, you can make dohars, you can do curtains, you can do bags, you can do flowers, you can do everything. It's textile.
Okay.
and
If somebody wants to give their clothes to you, how do
Yes,
we
you
arrange
can give
that?
that to us. You need to send them to Bombay or Gujarat, Anand. I don't like spending too much on sending here and there because there's a carbon footprint in that also.
Okay.
So yeah, but
Yes, yes,
Bombay
exactly.
should be good for Pune, I think. Or if anyone traveling up and down can just send it with them and we'll get it picked up from whoever.
Okay,
exactly.
okay, sure, sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Of course, if the clothes are
yeah.
wearable, then I'm sure you will give it to your maids or people who like to wear them.
आजकल ये बहुत बड़ा एक हो गया है प्रियंका एंड स्मिता.
No, yeah, that's what I used to give it to my maid.
No, maids have too many
No,
clothes
maids,
now, I
children
think.
don't want to use now.
They don't
Yeah,
Okay.
want.
exactly, because
Then,
everybody's giving
yeah.
them.
Yeah, then Misho is giving
So,
something in
yeah.
100 rupees, no?
So we collect all these clothes, books, shoes, and other things that are in good condition, and then we help the communities who are in the tribal and rural areas where they don't have anything. They don't
Yeah.
even have footwear. They don't have anything. Sports की चीजें तो हम उनको वहाँ पे इसी तरीके से सस्टेनेबल तरीके से कि if somebody is traveling वो एक कार में बैग्स लेके जाएंगे और उनको दे देंगे और so we have been doing this since I
Yes.
completed Jagriti Yatra, so it has been a long
Okay.
journey.
So I'm
लेकिन
sure a lot of people are doing that in Pune also.
yes, so वही हम लोग first option रखते हैं कि if it is good condition and usable, let us give it to someone who can use it.
Use it, yeah.
Then like people have contacted us कि उनके like parents have passed away and
Yeah,
fathers
yeah.
shirts हैं pants हैं and all that, so either we tell them कि आप इसका कुछ बना सकते हो घर के लिए like a
Hmm.
patchwork
Quilt, yeah,
comforter or something, या
yeah.
फिर you can give it to people that are like senior citizen home या कुछ ऐसे जगह जहाँ पे they don't have many things,
Yes,
तो वो
yes,
लोग पहन सकते हैं. But first
yes.
option is always use it to wear, because if it's a piece of clothing, उसके
Yeah,
अंदर मशीन, पानी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, रिसोर्सेस कितना कुछ गया है,
बहुत.
and you know better. So
Yes, yes.
कितना
And if
कुछ जा.
it's the last journey of the cloth, then you can give it to us and we'll make jholas of it.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. सो वो हमको लोगों को समझाना है कि इट इज अ सीक्वेंस, देयर इज अ प्रोसेस. ऐसा नहीं कि शुरुआत में ही आप जाओ और उसको लोड्स
काट
एंड
पीट दो.
सब लोग अपना
Yeah,
फेंकना चाहते हैं, लाइक कि ओ
yeah,
मेरे
yeah.
घर से निकल जाए.
बिल्कुल, कहाँ जाए वो किसी को पड़ी नहीं है.
हाँ, we've had people who gave us things and they said कि अच्छा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है, and then we found undergarments in that and it was so gross, but I just felt that they don't respect the people who will be receiving it.
Yes, yes.
So
So
that
another friend of mine did this project in Bombay, Alpika, who took bras from people like us, got them dry cleaned by a dry cleaner, and distributed them in the slums. Because a lot of women don't have good supporting bras.
yes,
So there is a lot we can do still,
yes,
and just we need to put it in the right direction and not just dump it.
बिल्कुल. And provided the product or the clothing is usable in good condition.
Yes, yes.
आप ट्रैश के जैसे एक थैले में गठरी बांध के मतलब
Yeah.
फेंकना चाहते हैं, उसके बदले आपने दे दिया और ये बोला ओ मैं तो मेरे कपड़े उसको देती
हाँ,
हूँ, so
मैं फेंकती नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, मैं फेंकती नहीं हूँ. Somebody
Yeah,
else has to throw for me.
yeah.
So that feel good
So
factor is not good enough.
yeah, that's happening to textile waste also.
बिल्कुल.
It's happening to textile waste. I've asked so many of my people like me, manufacturers, to just help me segregate at source and give me the textile. But no, nobody wants to make the effort. They just want some bhaiya to come, take a kilo thing, wait and take it away. then he'll dump it where he wants. Yeah, it's not on their conscience.
यहाँ पे हमने बुटीक में ये भी देखा है कि वो लोग आते हैं, ले जाते हैं और उससे अपना चूल्हा जलाते हैं.
हाँ.
They use it for burning that.
For burning. So yeah, my factory building in Sakinaka burns kachra every day.
Oof.
How much ever I can tell them, but it's never going to change.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So yeah, let's hope we'll do a little bit, and
We
so
must.
that's it. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, great talking to you all.
Yes. Do you have any questions? Any other questions, everyone? Richa, you've joined now. Smita, was your question answered?
Yes, and thank you so much. I really enjoyed the session. It was good to know that so much good work is happening, and I hope I can contribute in some way. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome, Smita. You're already doing so much good work. Okay, so if we don't have any more question, I would like to thank you so much, Priyanka.
Thank you for having me and hearing me out.
Oh, most welcome.
Yes.
हम एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से समझते हैं क्योंकि हम सब लोगों की सेम स्ट्रगल्स है, सेम आर्क है, लेकिन आई होप कि हम सब मिलके ही वो स्ट्रगल्स को ईज कर सकें और उसके लिए रास्ते बना सकें. सो आई विल शेयर दिस जब ये YouTube लिंक में हम कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे, सो देन हम ये आवाज को और लोगों तक पहुंचा सकेंगे. एंड आई होप कि CSR heads are able to understand and
and come to us.
Come to us, exactly.
Yes.
Okay.
Great. Okay. This was a lovely session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.